Hello everyone, welcome to Java Learners. In this video, we are going to learn what is at primary annotation and how it can be used. To understand how at primary annotation can be used, let's consider a scenario. We have an interface named notification service, and this interface has two implementation classes. One is email notification service and other one is SMS notification service. We have another class named notification sender, and the notification sender class contains a notification service dependency. When Spring application will start, Spring's IOC container will create two beans, one for SMS notification service and the other one is for email notification service. And it would try to inject these notification beans in the notification sender, but it would not be able to decide which bean it has to inject in the notification sender. So this will create an ambiguity problem. These problems can be solved using the @qualifier annotation. Using the @qualifier annotation, we can specify inside the notification sender which bean should be injected by the IOC container. So on the screen, you can see we have two notification classes. One is SMS notification service and other one is email notification service. And I have also given names to each notification service name. For SMS notification service, the bean name is SMS, and for email notification service, the bean name is email. In the notification sender class, on the notification service dependency, I have applied the @qualifier annotation, and in the @qualifier annotation, I have specified the name of the bean which I want to inject. So in this case, I want to inject the email notification service bean in the notification center class. Now consider a scenario where we do not want to use @qualifier annotation, but we want a behavior that when @qualifier annotation is not applied on the notification service dependency, then by default email notification service bean should be injected inside the notification center class. This can be achieved using the @primary annotation. So here you can see that on the email notification service class, I have applied the @primary annotation. But I did not apply any annotation on the SMS notification service. From the notification center class, I have also removed the @qualifier annotation. So on the notification service dependency, only @autowired annotation is applied. When @primary annotation is applied on the email notification service, then IOC container is going to inject the email notification service dependency wherever it will find the notification service dependency in a class. And the only requirement is that @qualifier annotation should not be present on the dependency. When @primary annotation is applied on a class, then it indicates that the bean should be given preference when multiple beans of same type are present in the application context. We can use @primary annotation on the methods which are annotated with @bean annotation in the configuration classes. And we can also apply the @primary annotation on the component classes. I have created a Spring Boot application and the Spring Boot version is 3.4.1. And in this application, I am also using the Spring Boot starter dependency. I have created an interface named notification service, and this interface contains a single method, that is send. I have created a class named email notification service, and this class implements notification service interface. And this class is declared a component, And using the value attribute of the component annotation, I have provided a name to it. So I have given the name email to this email notification service bean. I have created another class named SMS notification service, and this class also implements notification service interface. And this class is also declared component, and a name is also given to it, and the given name is SMS. So here the notification service interface has two implementation classes. One is email notification service and other one is SMS notification service. I have also created a class named notification sender, and this notification sender class contains a dependency of the notification service. And using the at qualifier annotation, I have specified that email notification bean should be injected here. Here, using the value attribute, I have specified that email notification service bean should be injected here. I have another class named application.java, and this class contains a main method. And in this main method, we have access to the application context, and then from the application context, we are retrieving the notification sender bean, and then we are invoking the send method on the notification sender class. If I run the application, then we can see that email notification bean is injected. I have a requirement that I do not want to use at qualifier annotation on the inside the notification sender, but inside the notification sender class, by default, email notification service bean should be injected. So I have removed the at qualifier annotation from the notification service dependency field. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply at primary annotation on the email notification service. Let me run the application now. So here we can see that a default email notification service bean is injected in the notification sender class. So using the at primary annotation, we have specified this, that when qualifier is not applied on the notification dependency, then by default email notification service bean should be injected. So suppose if I remove at primary annotation from the email notification service class, but I apply it to SMS notification. So here on the SMS notification service class, I have applied the at primary annotation. So it means that in the application, SMS notification service would be considered a default bean for notification service dependency. And here notification service dependency is represented using the notification service interface. Let me run the application again. So here we can see that the send method of the SMS notification service is invoked. The at primary annotation can also be applied to the methods in the configuration classes which are annotated with admin annotation. So here I have created a class named appconfig, and it's a configuration class. And in this configuration class, I have created two methods. One is to create the email notification service bean, and other one is to create SMS notification service bean. And here I have applied the at primary annotation on the email notification bean method. So here I am going to create beans using the configuration class. So we do not need to use add component annotation on the email notification service class and SMS notification service class. So I have removed the add component and add primary annotation from the notification service classes. Now I'm going to run the application, and here we can see that by default the send method of the email notification service is invoked. Now I remove the add primary annotation from the first method. Now I'm going to apply it to SMS notification service B. Now let me run the application. So here we can see that the send method of the SMS notification service class is invoked. That's it for this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.